Hello everybody, if you're looking at this product to see if it's the right fit for you, let's take a look at this. Now I have an older model SUV, this is a 2014, and my vehicle was a little before they started putting the full screens in, so I don't have a built-in screen like all the vehicles do now. So I've loved my vehicle, but it's always been a little disappointing that I didn't have a full screen. So I looked into getting one installed here at a secondhand place or an aftermarket place, and then I just kind of decided against it. I do have a backup camera, but that's in my mirror right here, so the camera is not, huge, but it does work. So I've just kind of done without it. Anytime I wanted to use the GPS, I'd have to put my phone here in my cup holder and use that, but that's not ideal because you have to look down, unless I have my my wife riding with me or something. But I got this for Christmas and we installed it yesterday. Now I've got it hooked up to the aux cord right here. It does come with some little clips right here to help you maintain the cords here. So there's a little adhesive backing right here. This is a 4K CarPlay smart screen. There's also a connector piece that came with it that you could put it, you could install it another way here, but I use this just flat generic piece here. You could possibly have put it on a windshield, but I just didn't think that was safe. But anyway, I've got this installed here. It did come with a backup camera. Like I said, I do have a backup camera right here. So I think the camera, I'm going to hold off on it for now. I am very interested in doing that. But I'm going to hold off on it now because I do have one right here. I do have a friend that may be able to help me. So I don't want the camera, I don't want the wires going all the way through here and hiding the wire. So that was a concern for me. So I may get a buddy that is good at this kind of stuff to maybe help me later on down the road. But this is the camera right here, and you can see there it is right there. So I'm just going to have it put up in here for a while. Let's look at the display on all the things that are available on this 4K CarPlay smart screen, okay? All right, so let's take a closer look at what I have here on my screen, all right? So this is the front-facing camera. Now, I thought about, hey, wouldn't it be nice to have a front-facing camera in case of, maybe I got into a wreck and there was a dispute about exactly what happened or something. But I had no idea there's actually a front-facing camera on the other side of this already. So that's really cool, and that's a built-in feature, all right? You can see right now that it's recording everything in front of me. So if you just want to stop recording, you can just push that button right here. You can go right here and you can click the playback and you can see all of the videos that you have, and it just records them to a little SD card on the side, okay? Let's see. We can go back to, here's the power on and off button right here. Here's a brightness button on how dim or bright you want the screen to be. I did go under settings yesterday, and if you scroll up right here, you can go to time and you can fix the time. It was on 24-hour. I put it on 12-hour right here. We can go to, okay, so I'm using my phone obviously to make the video. So what you can't see is, I had it hooked up yesterday to my, it had my Google Maps on here. So it's picking up my phone device, right? Had my Google Maps on, my maps for GPS on one side. I had text messages and or I had pulled up my streaming music service so I could see the music playing. So you can do all that right here. You can also hook up through an aux cord. If you don't have an aux input on your vehicle, you can also put it on a blank FM station, and it can pick up through a blank FM station. So over here you can turn the thing, you can turn it on and off right here. There's also an on and off button up here as well. So this is going to do pretty much everything you want it to do. I had it hooked up yesterday again to my my phone. I'm obviously using my phone to make the video right now, but you can hook up your phone. You can make hands-free calling. You can see your text messages. You can your maps. That's going to be a big thing for the maps. Instead of having to have it on my phone down here, to be able to see and look ahead and have it right here without having to look down, that's going to be really good. So a really nice 4K CarPlay smart screen device, especially for those of you like me that had older vehicles. If you're looking for something like this, this is the one that I got. I'm excited about it, and maybe this will work for you and your needs.